What's good, YouTube? Drizzy checking in, back with another video, and today we have a unboxing here. Now, today's unboxing is a little bit different than what I'm usually unboxing on this channel. Usually it's something sneaker related, but this is still within the whole fashion realm of things. I've had this package for about like 3 weeks or so, but I was finally able to find some time and record this video, so I figured I'd go ahead and get this out the way. Plus, I still have yet to see what we're about to look at. I was trying to wait to unbox it with you guys. But yeah, before we go ahead and get into the video, be sure to like the video. Also, if you're new to the channel, if this is your first time coming across my channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below. Also, click on the notification bell so that you're notified anytime that I post a video. Now, let's go ahead and jump into the package and see what we have. So we have a receipt here. This is from Nordstrom's. And let's get this out here. Now, as you can see on the bag, on the plastic, it says rip me open. So let's go ahead and open it. So we have the Sprayground backpack and the Sharks in Paris edition. Now, these did release last year in different color. These did release in a brown color, and those sold out pretty fast. Now they're reselling for like maybe $300, which is pretty crazy. And these, I think these dropped at the end of last year or at the beginning of this year. And these was also released with like another type of backpack, like a rucksack. And then it also came with a duffel bag. I think those other two items were around $100 as well. Now, these do retail for $100 on the Sprayground's website, but I was able to get these off of Nordstrom's for $80, and then plus shipping on top of that. Nordstrom's is one of the authorized retailers. Also, Beyond the Hype is also an authorized retailer. On Sprayground's website, these are sold out, but I think they're still available on Nordstrom's. I have to check, but I know I looked earlier, these are still available on Beyond the Hype. So I will leave the link down below if you want to check it out and buy you a bag. But first impression of the bag, just feeling it, you can definitely tell it's not real leather. It kind of feels like leather, like polyurethane or like synthetic leather, which we know isn't real leather. So I mean, it has like the look of real leather, but you can definitely tell, like if you felt real leather, you know the difference. Since that's the case, then I'm pretty sure this bag, like if you plan on wearing this bag every day or like using it very frequently, I'm pretty sure that it's gonna break down pretty quick. But I mean, it's a nice bag to wear. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it and see what we got. So starting off at the top here, it has a little pouch. Looks like I don't want to say velvet, but some kind of soft inner lining up there inside that little pocket there. And then let's open up the main opening. So right here you could put like looks like a tablet or like a laptop, something like that. And then you also have this little area right here in between. And then right here you could put like some charging cables, USB cords, and on the inside it has the Sprayground stamp. Then right here on the side of the front, you have like a little pouch here. Look like somewhere you could put like a wallet. Well, I wouldn't suggest putting a wallet, but like a passport or some papers. Let's see what else. On the sides, like little pockets, you could put like a water bottle. I want to say a water bottle. And these pockets are on both sides. Yep. And I think there's a There's one more. Somebody said there's like a hidden pouch somewhere. Oh, there's another pocket back here behind the straps. I could have sworn there was a hidden pouch somewhere. Am I tripping? Oh, here it is. So right behind the strap, like right underneath it, is one more pocket. And it has a card in it. Congratulations, you found the infamous stash pocket. Now don't tell anyone. Oops. Yeah. So we got the little stash pocket there. Sprayground branding right here on the strap. The whole Sharks in Paris name and theme is inspired by Bape and Louis Vuitton. So of course, the most obvious thing you see right here, which is inspired by Bape. One of their logos is the shark mouth. So that's where the shark comes into play. And then the Paris is inspired, the Louis Vuitton is inspired by Paris and how they're known for being into fashion. So Sharks in Paris. Like I said, retail was $100, and these are slowly selling out. There's still a few places you can still get them around retail or at retail. Not a bad bag. I kind of knew that the quality wasn't going to be that great on it, but I mean, for $100, what do you really expect? But I'm still satisfied. It's a nice little bag. I plan on wearing this bag maybe the next time that I travel. Can't really see myself wearing this bag like out randomly. This is more so like on the road type thing. It's a decent quality bag. I feel like I got my money's worth for $80. That's the price that I paid for it. I think it was like $87 after taxes and all that. But yeah, just wanted to bring you guys this quick video, this review. And finally I'm gonna be able to see it in person. Also, if you already have a bag, let me know how it's keeping up, if you wear it a lot. I just want to see what people say about it. So I'm pretty sure some people are gonna have different opinions on it. Hopefully this review was helpful to anybody out there thinking about buying this bag. I would definitely recommend it, especially for the price that I paid. I think that it was worth it. Nice little dope design on here, and yeah, I'm satisfied. But with that said, go ahead and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the bag. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video, like I said, if it helped you out, be sure to leave a thumbs up. And with that said, I will catch you in the next video. Peace.